Welcome back to my channel for my Thanksgiving edition. We're going to make some gravy, and this is the broth from the turkey that I had baked earlier. So what you'll need for this is some flour. You're going to put a half a cup of flour in there, and then you're going to pour, starting off, just a little bit of that broth that came from your turkey, because you want to like cook the flour off. So you want to stir this, and you also, this however dark you want it, that's how long you can fry it. So it really didn't matter to me what color I wanted. So after I cooked all the flour off, I'm going to go ahead and add my broth in there. When you first add your broth in there, you want to slowly add it in there and make sure you just keep whisking, and then you want to just gradually add all your broth in there. And as you can see, I am whisking away. Then I'm go ahead and add all the rest of my broth in there. So at this point, you're gonna stir it, but if you want to thicken it up, you want to make some slurry. This if it's not thick. So this is how you make slurry. Put some flour, but you want to put a little water in there. But this is the consistency you want it to make. This just thickens up the gravy. This is optional because it might be already thick already. But if you want yours just a little bit more thicker, this is what you would do. So this is how it looks, and you go ahead and pour that in there, and you give it a stir. And now I want to season to taste. Make sure y'all taste it, see how you like it. But I'm gonna go in with some more of my all-purpose seasoning and put that in there and just get it to stir. And I'm just gonna turn this on medium heat, and I'm gonna let this cook down. And then after it cooked down, I'm gonna go ahead and add my meat. Now this has got just some of the shredded chicken I had in there and some of the turkey neck. So you're gonna go ahead and give it a stir, but this is how it comes out. Now I'm gonna let mine get, it's gonna get thicker as it sit, but this is consistency. I like it right now because I don't want it too thick when it's time to serve the food. So this is how mine's come out, and this is how it is. Thank you.